Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make old-fashioned pancakes. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 egg, 1½ cups of flour, 1 1/4 cups of half and half or whole milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. We'll start by melting our 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave for 35 to 40 seconds. Then, we'll whisk together our 1 1/2 cups of flour, tablespoon of sugar, 2 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and teaspoon of salt. Once we've whisked together our dry ingredients, we'll create a well in the center and then add our 1 1/4 cups of half and half or whole milk, our 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and our egg. We'll whisk these together working from the center out until a uniform batter forms. Next, we'll heat a cast iron or nonstick skillet on the stovetop over medium-high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes before we start forming our pancakes. Once we've preheated our pan, we'll reduce heat to medium. Then we'll spray the pan with cooking spray, and spray a 1/4 cup measure with cooking spray so that the batter doesn't stick to it. We'll fill our 1/4 cup measure with pancake batter and put it in the pan. We'll smooth it with the back of the measure and allow the batter to cook until bubbles form. This should be about 2 or 3 minutes. Once bubbles have formed after about 2 to 3 minutes, we'll flip the pancake over and allow it to cook on the other side for another minute or two or until it's golden brown. We'll repeat this process until all the batter has been used. If you'd like, you can set your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit to keep your pancakes warm between batches. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.